Hi Pisces and welcome to Divine Enchantress. I have to thank you all so much for contributing your entire support to the channel. Within a month, I did not expect the channel to reach the 100 to cross the 100 subscription mark, and I am so grateful to all of you. So, as you all know, I had a poll on Instagram, and most of you all voted out of two choices for money and love for mid May readings. I got most response for love. So that is what we're going to respect the choice of majority of you all. And let's see what's in the romantic, the matters of the heart section for you, Cancer, for the month of May. Pisces, for the month of May 2020. All right. So let's see for Pisces, what do we have in store? Let's shuffle the cards and get started. All right. So Pisces, again, please keep in mind that energies are changing always, and take it as it resonates with you, because not all readings resonate with everyone. These are just general love messages. All right. And you can now connect to me on Instagram as well as Facebook for Divine Enchantress. So let's see for Pisces, what do we have in store for Pisces? All right, a card for you, them, and the outcome. So let's see. Pisces, what do we have? Wow, wow, and wow. Now, also again, I like to see with the oracle cards, what is the message for Pisces with the oracle? All right. The love message for Pisces this month is attraction. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. Wonderful. And yes, so let's see for Pisces. Let's delve in details. All right, so with the Wheel of Fortune in the reversed position, now this again, please keep in mind, may or may not resonate with all of you. So Pisces, as far as I feel, the Wheel of Fortune and the Two of Wands reversed, and with the Six of Wands reversed, I would say there was, you asked for a wish in the past. All right, you asked for a particular, you manifested and attracted this situation that you are in. All right, you, maybe for those who are already in a relationship, you at some point had already had this entire idea of what kind of person or situation in a relationship that you would like to be in. And you, up to some extent, you manifested that, is what I feel. All right, the wheel served you with everything that you were attracted to in the past. All right, but in the present situation, Pisces, I feel, there are other factors that are, intervening with your romantic aspects. So with your love life, I would say that there is a lot of ambition. It could be, in terms to your career, it could be in terms to your finances or settlements, or you trying to reach a higher level of commitment, because this story started with a mere attraction, is what I feel for most of you. Maybe for most of you, with the present relationship or the situation that you are in was a fling, or was a casual affair, or was not something that you thought could take you to a serious note, and now you are here wondering about, how things could go on to the next level or the next stage. So Pisces, for some of you, I feel that, this month you are going to stress about many other situations, that it could be your balance in career and finances, in making a stand, proving your point somewhere. But you have to understand, Pisces, that because you can lack balance somewhere, and over here energetically, I feel that Pisces is losing balance in these situations, because maybe you are worrying or prioritizing things that cannot completely be helped. Okay, you have to, as I said, as I told Cancer in the previous reading, that things has to go off naturally, because the more you struggle, the more you pressure in this relationship, the more you will feel it crumbling, the more you will feel it failing to an extent, Pisces. So I would say that if it comes to, and in this lockdown situation that we all are in, the slower you things you take, and the more you try and relish the basics of your attraction, as to how before you landed in this whole being responsible situation, I would say, Pisces, you have to understand you have to maybe go back to the times, the happier times, that this story started in the first place. You manifested what you wanted, and now worrying about how things could go and how things would take it to a next level or a higher commitment. Maybe this moment wants you to learn to slow down and to take things one by one and create the balance that is needed in your love life. So burn the spark again, try and ignite the spark between the two of you. Or and this could be in any general relationship that this message could be. But Pisces, I really feel that the more you struggle, the more you try to take control of situations, or you fear to fail in situations, the more you will lose the charm, the spark, the fun of the relationship. So Pisces, I feel in the month of May, take it slow, take things slow. And for those who are single, I also see that you could have many other things on your mind. So before you wish to manifest something, make sure that you have a very clear mind and heart as to what you really want. Because if you have 50 things on your mind, you could end up attracting a partner who is, or equally with 50 things and 50 messes on his mind, on his or mind, I would say. So Pisces, this was your message. Thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate all the love and response the channel has received so far. And you can connect to me for personalized sessions and have a very blessed time of May. So thank you so much. Okay, see you again soon. Continue with the support, because it really is motivating me to continue posting ahead. All right, thank you so much, Pisces. Have a very blessed time. Thank you.